हेलो दोस्तों। टुडे आई विल try to make my whole video in English. So, uh, 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 anyone have difficulty in understanding English, they can open caption. In that you can hear my or read my whole video in Hindi or English. And if there will be any mistake, so for that I am apologizing before, because I am not fluent in speaking English. So sorry. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So today's topic is my experience in Uttarakhand, Dehradun. So I have started my trip to Dehradun on 27th October. My train was at afternoon time 3:20, or it can be said that it was in evening time, and I have reached Dehradun late night at 9 p.m. I was shocked at 9 or 9:30 p.m. all the shops in Dehradun were closed. I was accompanied with my one friend as well, so we were wholly new in Dehradun, so we were very new in that type of environment. So our first motive was to find a guest house, a room, or a hotel to stay at night, because at in night we were not comfortable and feeling safe to roam anywhere in road. So that was very difficult, because all the hotels nearby railway stations was very high rate. So we are able to find a cheap room after 1 or 1.5 hours after landing on a railway station. So in our first day, 28th October, we have gone to Harvardpur for an TISA face-to-face workshop, in which we met Satinder Sir, the founder of TISA. in which he have shared the valuable knowledge to us, and like us there were 6 to 8 people more. So that first day was very engaging, and we have done activities like we have done public speaking in Dehradun Government Hospital. Name was Lehman Hospital, which was an Christian hospital. So in Harvardpur, we have taken a room near to OPD hospital because we get to know that next 2 more days we have to do same activities in this nearby hospital. So it was better to stay near the hospital because it was very foolish decision if we stay very far away. So at second day we in the morning we have done same activity just like we have done at first day. So in evening time we have gone to Vikas Nagar, Dehradun main market, Dehradun or Harbatpur main market, where we have to do an role play in which we have to introduce ourselves in front of the street people who were going here and there. And we have also done one more activity where we have to go nearby shops and ask about their selling product, what are the features, price, and discount they are giving in that product. So at second day night there was one Pahari wedding in Harbatpur. So we and I and my 3 or 4 friend decided to do wedding crash in which we had entered the wedding hall without the invitation. So it was first or second for first or second time for me. So I was very nervous and feeling feared if anyone will recognize um, recognize that we are not invited, then there should be a strict action towards it. But hopefully we don't get captured. So our second day was also very entertaining, and I think most one of the most engaging and interesting day of my life. So at day third day, which is 30th October, our last day in Harbatpur. So we have planned our day in that way that we all will be free at 5 p.m. E E evening. So, after doing all the activities and fun activities last day, we check out the room which we have stayed last 2 days. So, in late evening, we went to Dehradun because Dehradun was main state from where we can go to Missouri or we can return back to Delhi. So after reaching Dehradun at night, we enjoyed our night in Paltan Bazaar and in front of Clock Tower, which is the main attraction of the Dehradun. So I was planning to go to Missouri as well in 31st October, but due to some personal circumstances, I have to return back to Delhi in 31st October itself. So I had booked a private bus which was Jing bus, and the bus was very clean and and distance between Dehradun and Delhi is almost 500 kilometer or 550 kilometer. So it had taken 7 hours around to reach Delhi. So my bus has started at 11:30 a.m. in ISBT Dehradun, and we have reached at 6:30 p.m. in the evening at ISBT Kashmiri Gate. So if I would tell about the whole 4 day experience, so it was very good and very re 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 relaxing, and I have enjoyed at fullest because I was very depressed and stressed. So it was an stress free trip for me. Thank you.